Here we are again. People have taken to the streets to show their pain, show their outrage, and demand justice. At the ACLU, we've been doing it for 100 years, trying to protect that right to protest, that right to call people in power to account. And you know, as you come out to protest, there's a couple of things to keep in mind. Number one, the right to protest is a fundamental human right guaranteed by the U.S. Constitution in the First Amendment. Number two, if you get stopped, ask if you're free to go. If they say yes, calmly walk away. You have the right to record. The right to protest includes the right to record. It includes the right to even record police doing their jobs. The police can order people to stop interfering with legitimate police operations, but video recording from a safe distance is not interfering. If you get stopped, they don't have the right to take or confiscate any videos or photos without a warrant. If you are videotaping, keep in mind that in some states the audio is treated differently than the images, but images and video images are always fully protected by the First Amendment. Know also that the police's main job in a protest is to protect your right to protest and to de-escalate any threat to violence. If you get arrested, don't say anything. Ask for a lawyer immediately. Don't sign anything, don't say anything, don't agree to anything without an attorney there. Demand your right to a local phone call. If you call a lawyer, they're not allowed to listen. If you call anybody else, they are likely to listen. Finally, they cannot delete data from your device under any circumstances. Know your rights, know the risks. Even with the legal protections I just discussed, we all know that the protesting has real risks, especially for Black people, especially for people of color. Arrest has different consequences for people who are undocumented. And we're in the midst of a global pandemic. So you have to take into account your own health and the health of others. Go out, speak up, and stay safe. Peace and love.